YouTube, welcome to Geek Shh. So I have a Proxmox server that I don't necessarily need running 24/7 currently, but I want to be able to turn it on when needed. It's in a different part of the house, so I would prefer to be able to control it wirelessly. So I went to see what our Asian friends have available on AliExpress, and I ran across one that's not only a Wi-Fi switch, but can also be controlled by Apple HomeKit. This seems to me like it's right up my alley. So it ended up costing me about $10 total, boxed and shipped to me. I ordered it on the 19th, it shipped on the 21st, and I received it in my mailbox on the 30th of April. So let's see what's in the package. So inside the box, there was a manual, but who the hell needs that? Also, there's an anti-static bag with a Wi-Fi switch placed tightly inside. And when I say tight, I mean tight. No wiggle room inside this thing. As you remove the Wi-Fi switch, you'll see a HomeKit sticker placed conveniently on the back of it. And there's also the same HomeKit sticker placed conveniently on the anti-static bag. So now that we got the unboxing out the way, only thing left to do is go ahead and get it set up. All right, so first thing first, what we're gonna do is pull out one of my old dusty mining motherboards. That ain't nothing but a little bit of pollen, don't even worry about that. So what we're gonna do after that is take the Wi-Fi switch and plug it into one of the time 1 slots on the motherboard. Then what we're gonna do is take the power switch and plug it into the power switch pins on the motherboard. Then if you had something plugged into your power switch pins originally before that, you can take that cable and plug it into the Wi-Fi switch. And you can also power up the computer that way as well. So you still have both ways of powering up and powering down. So don't worry about nothing. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out that HomeKit app and go ahead and scan that QR code on the back of the anti-static bag. Now you can do it on the back of the Wi-Fi switch, but the Wi-Fi switch is plugged in, so the bag is just easier. Then it's going to go ahead and add it to home. Then it's going to be connecting to light. Now I ain't gonna hold you. This part takes a while. I want to say 2, 3, maybe even 4 minutes. I went ahead and sped it up so it doesn't take that long while we doing it, but it's going to take a little minute. So don't trip about nothing. Just be patient. All right. So it's going to be connecting until it's finally ready to connect. All right. They're an outlet location. You can put it on any location you want. I went ahead and created a new room. So I chose to do that. And I named the new room Proxmox, because like I said, this is going on my Proxmox server. So I went ahead and just called the new room Proxmox. Then after you type in whatever room you want, go ahead and hit continue. Then the outlet name, I left it as switch. Go ahead and hit continue. Then I chose it to display as an outlet. Press done. And then it's going to go ahead and add it to your HomeKit. Now it's not going to be on your favorites part because you didn't add it as a favorite yet. So you got to go in there and find it. But once you do that, you'll be able to see it. Let me go ahead and jump back into the video for my live reaction. Proxmox. Okay, there goes the switch. So let's see if it actually works. I just set it up on here. And let's see if it go through. God damn, that was easy. It started it right up. Computer booted up and everything, like real quick. That was real quick, real simple. Jesus, that was real quick, real simple. Oh, it just turned off. But that could be the actual PC, because I don't, that could be the actual PC. It might be doing some configurations. That don't got nothing to do with this one though. It did what it was supposed to do. It started it up. Let's see if I can turn it off, because I don't have any hard drives connecting to the computer right now. So let's see if I can actually turn it off as well. Turn off the computer as well. Hold on, let me press the button. It turned off the computer too. Hey man, this might be the wave. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Quick and easy, turn it on, turn it off. All right, guys, there you go. A quick tutorial on how to set up a Wi-Fi switch that's fairly inexpensive. You could get it for like $11, $12 max, boxed and shipped to you from China via AliExpress. And you really getting a good deal here because you can add it to Apple HomeKit. But if you don't have Apple HomeKit, don't trip about that as well, because they do have an app in the Android store that you can use to control this as well. So I'm gonna make sure I link it in the description just in case you need it. Now, please remember, mine went pretty fast and quick because your router has two bands, a 2.4 gigahertz and a 5 gigahertz. If you have new equipment, it will automatically put it on the 2.4 gigahertz band. But if you have older equipment, you might have to do a little more steps to ensure that it get placed on the proper band. But if, like I said, if you have new equipment, you shouldn't really have that issue at all. Now, we went ahead and added it to Apple HomeKit. So what does that mean? That means that nosy woman Siri already know about it, right? So let me go ahead and give y'all the grand finale, since Siri already know about it. You heard? And now, time for what y'all all been waiting for. The grand resistance. Hey Siri, turn on Proxmox Switch. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. Oh my God. Hey Siri, turn off Proxmox Switch. The grand resistance.